Hey friends, it's Miss Haar. Thanks for coming to music. I'm so glad you're here. So just to be clear, this is the 3rd and 4th grade video for this week. So 3rd and 4th graders, I'm very excited to start learning some bucket drumming together. I know this is new, so I'll help you out every step of the way. But first, if you don't know what this is or you haven't seen it much before, here's a little more of what bucket drumming looks like around the country. So as you can see, bucket drumming is pretty much exactly what it sounds like, drumming with a bucket. Even though the setup is simple, it can sound really cool and intricate. So today is our intro to bucket drumming. In this video, first I will help you gather materials so you can participate at home. Then we'll do a little bit of practice and learn some basic patterns. And then at the end, we'll play along to the song Rolling in the Deep. Okay, let's do it. Okay, step 1. I'm going to help you gather material so you can play along at home. And if you're thinking, but Miss Haar, I don't have a bucket of drumsticks. Well, don't even worry, I can help you out with that. If you don't have a bucket or drumsticks at home, here are some things you can use instead. A small trash can can work. After you empty out the trash in it, like that. Any kind of cardboard box, like from games or puzzles. A pile of hardcover books. Or if your family says it's okay, a pot from your kitchen actually works really well. It's even better if you put a cloth or a shirt or something over it so it's not so loud. And you can put these things on a table like this, or you could just sit on the ground and put them right on the ground. If you don't have drumsticks, you can try using 2 pencils, or 2 pens, or chopsticks. They'll all work well. So I gave you those ideas because it's important you participate at home so you can learn, and it'll be more fun that way. Now is a good time to pause this video and go get whatever you need to make your drum. Come back when you are ready to play. Okay, step 2, time to practice. I will play a pattern first, then you'll repeat after me. I'll play a pattern first, you repeat after me. We will start slow and then we'll get faster. Ready? My turn first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep going. Back to me. And you. Awesome. Last one. All right, sending you shine. Nice first round. Now we're gonna make it a little faster. Same thing again. I'll go first, then you. Ready? My turn first. Last one. Okay, nice job, teammates. Now this is the last round. Same thing, even faster. Okay, ready? My turn first. Keep it up. Okay, great practice, teammates. Now, when we play the song, you will see this on the screen. This is the notes telling us what pattern to play. R means right hand, and L means left hand. So this pattern is telling us right, left, right, left. Let's try it. Right, left, just like that. Here's the thing though, if this is confusing to you and it's making it more complicated, that's okay, you can just ignore it. You don't have to look at this. If this is helpful, then you can use it. You might also see this one. This is telling us to go faster like this. Try it. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then we might see this one, which is telling us to go right, both. Right, both. Let's try it. Okay, great practice. Those are all the patterns you need. Again, if this is helpful, then you can use it. If this is not helpful to you, not a big deal, just don't look at it. All right, drummers, we've prepped, we've practiced, we are ready for step 3. Time to play along to the song, Rollin' in the Deep. I also just put a box underneath my bucket so it's higher up, a little easier to play. You might have to make some changes to your setup as well. We're gonna have actually another teacher help us with this part. His name is Mr. Foster and he teaches bucket drumming online. Here he is. Okay, he's gonna start playing soon, so make sure to watch him or watch me and follow along. Let's do this.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love
Okay, friends, and that's all for today. Thanks for drumming with me. I had so much fun. I would love to hear how it went for you. You can ask your family if you can send me an email or a text. Tell me if you liked bucket drumming, if you didn't like it, if you would do it again in the future. I would love to know how it went for you. I miss you all very much as always. I hope you're doing well. I can't wait to see you for next week's video. Bye!